to slow things down today. Not to argue, not to correct anyone, just to ask a question that doesn't get asked very often. How does the Bible itself expect to be read? Not how churches explain it, not how traditions frame it, but what the text assumes about the person reading it. This video matters because how we read determines what we see. And most confusion doesn't start with verses. It starts before we ever get to them. This isn't about conclusions. It's about our approach. Because if our approach is off, we can read our own ideas into the text without even noticing. And if we get this part right, the next steps won't feel threatening. Before we go any further, I want to be clear about what we're not doing here. We're not replacing one system with another. We're not trying to win arguments. And we're not asking you to trust a voice on the screen. Everything on this channel is meant to be checked slowly and honestly. If something isn't actually stated, we won't treat it as fact. If something is silent, we'll say it's silent. First, there's a simple question worth asking. What does Scripture assume about the reader? I'm not asking you to agree with me. Just notice the kind of reader the Bible expects. When you read it, you don't see it treated as something fragile. You don't see warnings that say, don't examine this. Over and over, it's treated as something that can be read, heard, remembered, and weighed. Well, that doesn't make everything easy. But difficulty is not the same thing as prohibition. The next piece matters just as much. The Bible often speaks as if teaching itself can be examined. Not aggressively, not suspiciously, but thoughtfully. Teaching can be accurate, incomplete, misunderstood, or wrong. Responsibility isn't removed from the listener. That challenges a lot of fear people carry. There's an important distinction to keep clear here. Testing teaching is not the same as rejecting God. Careful examination isn't rebellion. What Scripture warns against are things like pride, refusing to listen, or replacing what's written with human authority. Before we move on, this is worth noticing. Confusion usually starts when people are taught what to think before they're taught how to read. When conclusions come first, reading turns into searching for confirmation. That doesn't make people dishonest. It makes people human. And if any of this feels uncomfortable, that's normal. We're not drawing conclusions, just noticing patterns. Now, this part matters just as much. Bible does not say, don't question teaching, don't examine ideas, don't test what you hear. When cautions appear, they're about motives and behavior, not careful thought. If examination is expected, then beliefs should be formed patiently, not inherited automatically. No idea is beyond review just because it's familiar. That doesn't weaken faith, it protects it. In the next video, we're going to talk about something closely related: authority. Where does authority come from according to the text? Because if we don't know that, we'll keep borrowing authority from tradition without realizing we did. Take your time. There's no rush here.